Okay, where are we going?
We're going to North Hollywood.
For what?
Something crazy. Pretty freaking crazy. Show the rest of the fam.
Woo!
We're gonna experience this. It's freaking crazy, man.
It's freaking crazy.
It's a surprise, I think. I mean, he hasn't told us why we're going up, but he needs us to be there and share his happiness. Is it happiness or sadness? I don't know which one it is.
Very deep. I have a big super eyes.
Oh.
Super eyes. That's all I
Hint.
was gonna say.
Oh, we're about to crash.
Okay.
No.
Bruno Mars, if you're watching this, I love you.
This is my chicken. This is my chicken in a bag.
Just one more.
Okay, Dylan, how long have we been driving for?
30 minutes.
It feels like 3 hours. Hey, Dylan, how long have we been driving now?
We've been driving for under an hour. No, we now have under an hour left.
Oh wait, we're going the wrong way.
What?
Wait, this isn't the 5 South?
No.
You scared me for a second. Just go into this wall.
This is the first vlog, I guess, in a long time. So, you know, be patient. I'm not quite in the swing of this. Don't really know how to talk to the camera anymore, but you know, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna start on the iPhone eventually, maybe in a few months we'll upgrade, but if you guys are down for the count, you'll see it all. What?
We almost crossed. Again.
Look, a Supra. It's yellow.
Where?
Actually, I got a Supra before you. It's a Hot Wheel.
Maybe you can film like some scenic shots of
The freeway.
In your rear view mirror. Side view mirror.
yes, the freeway in my mirror. We are 30 minutes away from my life changing.
Oh. I want me to film.
Not all the time.
I'll crack some jokes. What did the tomato say to the other tomato that was struggling behind?
Catch up.
Ruin the joke. Better catch up.
Yeah,
3 minutes.
It's like,
what the heck is this?
What? Yard sale.
Yard sale.
Taco stand. We should go there. Look at them. Look at them. Oh. I know, this is nice.
Oh yeah, this is my mom and my girlfriend.
Hi.
how deep it is. In the car.
So if you lift this up, you'll see the original color. Oh yeah. Oh wow. So this is the color.
I like the lights in the back.
Well, surprise was this 1994 Mark IV naturally aspirated Toyota Supra.
Woo!
So it's now the following day. This is gonna be a multiple day vlog. This is our fish tank. So today, after I got off of work, I detailed the Supra, vacuumed it, just cleaned it up a little bit. So I might go show you guys a little bit of what it looks like now. And I got it insured, so that's exciting.
You got a shirt?
Insured, bruh. Eventually I want to give you guys a room tour.
No.
A studio tour, garage tour, house tour, all that jazz of what. Whatever.
Will you share your home address?
Well, not that. Whatever YouTubers share and stuff like that, I'll try to fill you in. Again, if you're not into cars, you could skim through these parts, but I just want to share with you guys what I'm most passionate about and things that make me happy in life. But with these videos, I'm mainly going to be filming music, car stuff, and gym stuff. So, be ready. No, I can't say goodnight yet. I'm probably going to look at this for another 20 minutes. Check out these lights that I installed. The cable management is terrible. I need to work on that, but put up these lights. Without these lights, the garage looks like this. And it is just no bueno. This right here is a little memento for my current job. I'm working construction with Quincy's dad. I'm a project engineer for a grading company. So that may sound super complicated. I'll probably explain it at a later time. But yeah, you guys will get a full update pretty soon. All right, I think I'm gonna cash out this vlog. I think we're gonna finish the night out with some tacos. We might even get a game of pool in. So this is one of my favorite additions to the house, which you guys haven't even seen the house. So if you guys want a house tour, just let me know. I'm a walker. Even when I'm on the phone, I walk. That's probably the best form of exercise or cardio for me. Just take a phone call with a friend that I haven't talked to in a while and I could probably walk for miles. Thanks for watching this super exciting moment in my life. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.